friends, hope you're doing well. I am Jenny. You're watching Toxic Alien. Alien Alpha, as you all know. I like WhatsApp bots. In fact, I love them. So, as always, I'm here to talk about the famous bot called Pinky by AfnanPlk. So let's get into the video. If you want to deploy a bot, the first thing you will have to do is, well, go find this repo. You lazy head. Just kidding. The link is in the description. This is the bot I'm gonna use today. Big shout out for Afnan and for his team for making this awesome bot and maintaining the well-being and behavior. Not to mention, I'm also included in his team. Okay then, if you want to deploy a bot, what's the first thing you have to do? Anyone? Guess you don't know, right? You will have to create an account in Heroku. Heroku is a platform as a service PaaS that enables developers to build, run, and operate applications entirely in the cloud. In short, that is where you're going to deploy your bot. Does it sound interesting? Well, the fun is about to begin. To create an account, first click Sign Up button, the Login button, then you will see this page. There are some important things that you need to take care. We will get back to it later. I am using a temp mail service. To make my account, you can use your original account, no problem with that. I will fast forward this video so it's easy for you guys to understand. After filling your first name, last name and email ID, you will have to select the role as student and language as not a developer. If you see a page like this, it's good. It means the verification mail has been sent to your email ID. Now go to your mail inbox and search for a mail from Heroku. It should be at the top. Now open the mail. Oh, this ads are kind of annoying. Anyways, open that mail and click on that link. I opened it in a new tab. You don't have to do that. Well, on the next page, create a new password. See, boys? Don't be lazy, only use strong passwords. Wait a minute. Am I being lazy here? Anyways, let's continue on the next page. Click Accept. Congratulations! You have successfully created a new Heroku account. Now go back to Pinky's GitHub repository. Hey, don't tell me you forgot about that. Well, hurry, go back to that repo and continue. Go to Simple Setup on a README. In that repo, click on Run on the Repo.it button, and meanwhile, it loads. Take your phone. What are you looking, dummy? Follow as I say, okay? Open your WhatsApp then, click on the three dots you see on the right top corner of your screen. Then go down the Link Devices button. Well, click on it, and then hey, wait a second. Did you subscribe to this channel yet? I know you haven't. Right, quick, go and subscribe, you dummy. It's free, of course. Click on the play button you see on your browser, then wait while it's preparing. At the same time, on your phone, click the Link a Device button. Then authenticate it with your password, Touch ID or Face ID. Then scan the code shown on your computer as soon as it shows. Did you get it right? Well, you can try as much as you want. If you scan it correct, your phone will vibrate and it will show you a new device as connected. Now, copy the code shown in the screen. Good. Now go back to the main repo. Okay, now click the Deploy to Heroku button. You'll have to click on the Deploy to Heroku button again in order to start deploying. Afnan made that option because of some recent errors. However, if you ever encounter that error, you can find a fix for that error in my channel. I have another video on that topic. Yes, now let's get into the main game. You can see there are many options here, but we only need to watch after 4 fields in this list: app name, Pinky session, Heroku API key, Heroku app name. These are the main fields. Watch me set up all these fields. So before we start editing this page, make sure everything you type is in small letters. Otherwise, you might get into some errors. Give a simple name for the app in small letters without space and any special characters. Then go down and find the field for adding the Pinky session. Just like me, you might find it difficult to locate the field, but eventually you will. To get the Heroku APIK, look for a small account logo on the top of right corner of your browser window. Click on it once, right-click on Account Settings, and then open it in a new tab. This is very important to open it in a new tab, otherwise you might lose all the edits you have done already. Then in New tab just open, go down to APIK section and click on the relevant button. Then you can easily copy the API key. Now go back to the previous tab and paste the API key in the correct field. For the Heroku app name, you must have to make it same as the app name you ended early. It's better you copy and paste the name. I'm just filling the remaining fields with the 0, just in case to edit it later. You haven't done it yet? Anyways, after filling it correctly, go down and click on the deploy button. Now all we can do is to wait. It will take some time. I will fast forward the video for you. After successfully completing the deployment, you will see a page like this. Click on Manage App, then go to the Resource tab. There you can find a button. This is the main button, with which we can turn on and turn off your bot. You can turn it on like this. After turning on your bot, it's better you go and watch the log, because there might be some errors. That's why I recommend you to go and watch the logs to confirm there are no errors. To see the log, click on the More button and then click the Show Logs button. Wait until you see this message to log in. If you see an error, you can try deploying it again, or you can contact me in my support group. Link is in the description, by the way. If you see that it's activated, that means everything worked out. You can go and use your own bots in your WhatsApp. And one more important thing, if you're still watching this video, a sub to this channel would be amazing. Don't go yet, I will show you some basic commands with which you can start exploring your bot. The main commands you can use in your bot are Alive, Menu, List, Setting. For groups you can use Add, Ban, Kick, Tag, All, Set Welcome, Anti-Link, Anti-Fake. Extra are very good commands. List will show you all the commands that you can use in this bot. If you ever want to restart or shut down your bot, well, you can use restart or shut down as commands. I think that's all for this video. Use it well and also try to help others. Please don't use this bot for spamming and stuff. If you have any doubt or queries, feel free to ask in the comments section. I will try to answer as soon as alien possibly. Meanwhile, go watch some other videos in my channel. And don't forget to like this video. Knowledge is a powerful tool, so try to share it. Share this video.